Good morning, you guys. So, trying to talk quiet because everyone's sleeping. Jack's sleeping in the living room. Blaine's in my bed. I've been up for quite a while, but right now it's 6:40. I've been up since like 4:30 this morning. I got my shower in. I laid in bed for quite a while though. I probably didn't actually get up until 5:30. I did do up these dishes. I never did them last night. And then, of course, I hate when that happens. You find more dishes. So that's why there's still some dishes in there. But I'm going to go ahead and sit down and edit a video. First, I'm going to do my greens. I've been really bad about editing videos ever since Vlogmas ended. Yeah, it's been a nice break, I do have to say. So yeah, I'm gonna do my essential skin food, and you guys have seen this a million times. My morning complete. I'm running out of this stuff though, so I'm gonna have to get some more. I was thinking about making breakfast, and then I'm like, I don't know, I might wait just because it's not even 7 a.m. yet. And yes, I was gonna make the same breakfast I've been like obsessed with, which is the hash brown, eggs, bacon, cottage cheese. It's so good. But I think instead of the breakfast, because I already had my cup of coffee, I don't really want another one. I might run to get some Alani New today. I don't know yet. I do want to go see my grandpa. I have to bring him like a bag of chips because we brought him salsa the other day, but I forgot to bring him chips. And I don't know if he's been out driving with the roads and stuff because they're a little slick, you know, from snow and ice and all that. So I do want to go run over there, bring him a bag of chips. He's probably good for food though because we just had Christmas over there and everyone just kind of left their leftovers for him. Yeah, I don't know. I like the citrus medley because, as you know, I've been... Oh, it's not focusing. There we go. I've been doing the apple cinnamon, and they sent out the citrus medley, and I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm actually going to go ahead and drink one of these Alani New Fit Shakes. This is the chocolate. I have had 2 chocolates in the fridge and 1 vanilla, so I'm gonna drink one of the chocolates. Is my face taking the focus? I don't know why my camera isn't focusing lately. Like, how irritating. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, sit down, and drink this, and edit a video for you guys. Hopefully I can get it out today. I don't know for sure. What is today? Today is Wednesday, December 28th. So the video that I'm gonna be editing is it's going to be, which one? Oh, opening gifts, Christmas morning. So you guys will have already seen this by the time you see this though, so yes. Good morning.
Hey.
Hi. You wake up happy? You did. I love you.
Hey.
Hi. Can you say good morning? Can you say good morning? How's my little boy? How's my little boy? How's he doing? Say good morning. Good morning. So it's 7:56. This is gonna seem like a very odd breakfast, but I'm gonna make myself up some fried rice for breakfast. This is just the jasmine rice with the frozen vegetables. I used one of these. I've never used these yet. And then this is peas and carrots. And then once that's like fried up a bit, I'm gonna add an egg. And these are the jumbo eggs, so they're like there's like 2 yolks inside of them, so I'm just gonna use one. And then of course the liquid aminos. You guys have probably seen this before in my vlogs. I used to make this quite often actually. I haven't made it in a while. And I was gonna do like my regular breakfast, the Alecia Rose combo, but I'm like, I gotta switch it up a little bit. So I'm doing the fried rice. So yeah. And then for the boys, I'm just gonna do some French toast sticks. And the last of these Vermont maple sausage links. I actually ordered some more on Costco.com. So, but these ones are really good. And I'm gonna see how the Costco ones are. The Costco ones are not like a maple or anything. They're just regular. I'll do a minute. Yeah, they're just regular ones, which is fine. Like, if they want a maple flavor, they can dip it into some syrup. Yeah, I actually did last night I did an order on Costco. It wasn't like huge or anything. Okay, here is the fried rice. It always, I feel like it makes so much too. Like there's like a lot there. I don't know if I'm gonna eat all that yet this morning. I might save like half of it for lunch, but I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my rice. The boys have their breakfasts. Yummy. Hey guys, so I just got back home. I'm gonna go ahead and make, please stop that. I'm gonna go ahead and make some lunch for the boys. We're gonna do some air fried tater tots and chicken patties. And then, no. And then I think there's some vegetables. You know what? We have this too. Maybe I'm gonna skip the tater tots. So we're just gonna do chicken patties because I have this leftovers. I thought they were gonna eat this yesterday. There's a spoon in there. That was probably Willie. Oh my gosh, our garbage reeks right now. I need to take that out or something. So I did a little bit of grocery shopping. Got my grandpa some stuff that I thought he would eat. Just like freezer meals, like little TV dinner type of things. And then I got myself a couple things. I got an 18 pack of eggs. Wayne, why are you being like that? We got some more milk. And then I finally found some more cilantro. Some cheddar cheese. This is just a little pack of, what is it? It's hickory smoked turkey. I thought that would be good on something. It's just like a little bit because this was $4.51. And honestly, stuff's getting ridiculously expensive. And then I found just a little container of Greek yogurt, like plain. That is not yours. I saw this. It's a Bankster berry. I'm like, oh, that would probably be good. And last but not least, I've got some brie cheese, Italian style chicken sausage. Sorry, Elena's like totally distracting me. So one link is 150 calories. So the house is a mess again. You guys can't see super well in there, but in the living room, it's pretty much trash. But I have come to terms with this is just the way it's gonna be. Because Jack is on break, so he's been off the whole week. Today is Wednesday. And I'm just waiting for him to go back to school and then Blaine to get back to daycare to really like yeah, I'm gonna try to just like let these last few days go and not worry about it being clean, because it's just every time I clean I turn around and it's messed up again, and I can't get anything else done because I'm so worried about trying to get this house clean. So we're just going to deal with it, and it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard, but I can only do so much, you know. I can only do so much. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these patties. Okay, so it's actually the next day at like, it's 2:48. I just got home from cleaning and I'm gonna start supper. It's still really early, so I don't know if I'm gonna start it yet. I don't know. It's almost 3, but I'm browning up some sausage and I'm gonna do that breakfast casserole. I've done it before here on my channel, I'm pretty sure. I have a short clip of it, I do know. It's biscuits and gravy breakfast casserole. Also, I got a Costco. I ordered on Costco. I've got a little haul I wanted to do. There's all my boxes. I didn't get a whole lot, but I got like big stuff though, like paper towel and stuff like that. So that's probably like one of the big boxes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make this. Well, I think I'm just gonna make the sausage up right now. I don't think I'm gonna really start cooking it though till later. Or I could just have it early, have an early dinner or something, I don't know. Who cares? Also, the last time I made this, it only calls for one of these packets, but I remember thinking that I could have used a little more gravy. So I'm gonna make up 2 packets. I might just do like a packet and a half. I don't know if 2 full packets would be too much, so I might just do like 1 full one and then just see how much I need of that and do it from there. But I'm gonna set you guys up on a time lapse just because I have made this before, so you guys have seen.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, so while that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little haul for you guys. My Costco haul. Blaine's dying to get in. Okay. Oh, shoot. sausage patties. We do eat a lot of these, but wow, this is like a really ginormous bag, which is good because we do go through these a lot. So that, and we're out of sausage right now. Nope, be careful. This is. Then I got a couple things of that smoked pulled pork just to keep in the freezer because the last time. No, that doesn't come out buddy. Here, I know they put like dry ice in here. I don't want them grabbing something here. Yeah, this is the dry ice, and it's like open. It can't that? No, I don't want you touching this.
Okay.
No, please don't. Okay, that's really nice. He was just touching it. I think it'll be fine. Hey, please don't touch inside here anymore. So yeah, these are really good. So I got a couple of these. Then I've got a thing of Go-Gurts. I got some more butter. Okay, that really makes me nervous about playing him touching that because, like, I don't know. Okay, and then we've got. Get off! Please don't touch. I don't want you touching it. That dry ice spilled everywhere. Maybe like they use a different kind. I don't know. Okay, so this has two pizzas. It's the cauliflower crust roasted vegetable pizza. That sounds really good. And I needed no, please do not touch. And I needed to order $20 worth. $20 more to get the free shipping for the cool stuff, so that's why I got that pizza. And then the last thing are these breakfast sandwiches, because yeah, everyone likes these. Well, now that I remember, they like the Walmart brand better, so whatever. It is what it is. Okay, so that's that box. I wanted to go through this box first so I could get everything put away because it's like the cold stuff. The other stuff is not cold. So I'm going to go ahead, put this stuff away, and then I will come back and show you guys the rest of the stuff. So I feel like ordering this stuff on the same week of Christmas was a super bad idea because now that I think of it, all of our garbages and recycling bins are filled. So, yeah. This one first. No, get out of there, please. Okay, so I got some more K-Cups. I ran out downstairs, so I needed these. I've never tried this kind. It's organic medium roast coffee, Kirkland brand. I got some more Clorox wipes. This is like, what is this, 2, 4, this is 5, so that's crazy. And then we got the paper towels right there. Nice big pack. Then there's like this. This is like a little box, but it's really heavy, so I don't know actually what's in here. Oh, this is the wipes. So I got 2 packages of baby wipes. Because one of them is going to be for Blaine's babysitter. And last but not least, you went fishing. So I got this variety pack of Sun Chips. This comes with 30 bags, so quite a few. But I'm gonna stick that downstairs for a bit because we got other snacks I gotta take going through. And then got some more Pop Chips. These are like my favorite, and they're like the low calorie. These things are awesome. And then I got some of these snapped Cheez-Its. These things are really good, and it's only 100 calories a pack, so they're decently healthy. And last but not least, I've got some pretzels, but these are going over to Blaine's babysitter. The kids there really like pretzels, and I think she was looking for more snacks for the kids. So, whew, I'm out of breath after that. So now I'm gonna go ahead, put all of that away, and then it'll probably be time to get supper taken out. Okay, so it's basically done. I'm just gonna turn the timer off. It's like 40 seconds left. Oh my gosh, the time is the oven was set at 350 and the time when I turn it off is 350. How funny. So here oh, it really gets tall. Oh my goodness, that's heavy. Looks so much fun. There we go. This is actually like one of my favorite meals, by the way, but everyone loves it. And I think I'm gonna organize my fridge. First thing, I'm gonna clean it up in here though. Just needs a quick cleanup.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. All the memories just lingers on repeat.
Okay guys, so actually I wanted to do the door here. Something got on this door. I think it must have been the soy sauce, so I do want to wash that out, which I will do. But I just wanted to show you the fridge. I did move the shelves a little bit again. But as you can see, I'm never gonna get it like super organized. Like, it's never gonna look great. But this is about the best I could come up with. This is a very small fridge. So yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and wipe out these now because I completely forgot about that. And yeah, then I'm done with the fridge at least. I could probably put something down right there too. There's some room. Maybe like these pickles. Yeah, I could do the pickles. And then I free up some space there, but yes.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking, everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.